Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedren. Naomi Cowan tapped by UK A-list actor and DJ Idris Elba. Now in an E-Prime exclusive in April, Cowan broke the news on the upcoming track.
I'm really excited about expanding my territory and reaching a community that supports Jamaican music. You know, because for me as an artist that sings reggae music, a lot of my listeners are in Europe and they're in London and they're here in Jamaica as well. So I'm just having fun and putting in the work and watching.
After weeks of anticipating the single, We Run the Area is finally here. The track released on Monday sees the Paradise Plum artist going old school dancehall as we've never heard her before for the feature with Elba, Toddler T and General Levy. According to a release, the track draws influence from jungle, drum and bass sounds. Now on Tuesday, the visuals featuring all four artists was released and sees scenes in both Jamaica and London. It was released by Seven Wallace and Bell Brothers, the labels run by Elba and Toddler respectively. Naomi, who performed at City Splash in London along with Ronkos, Coffee, Chronix, Shensia and Skillabang last weekend, shared a snippet from the show on her verified Instagram page, which also included a special visit from Elba in person. Naomi, of course, is in full rev for the summer. You go, girl.
I have some summer dates in Europe this year. So I'll be in Switzerland, Germany, London again. You know, and throughout the summer, I'll still be dropping singles.
Saint Star Brick Night is featured in the just-launched advertising campaign for A-list actor Idris Elba's clothing line, DSYF, Don't Stab Your Future, which she shot in London recently. DSYF aims to raise awareness by amplifying the message against knife crime. The clothing line, which includes hoodies and t-shirts, benefit multiple charities in support of anti-knife crime initiatives. The model is also part of the new global advertising campaign for Lancome, one of the world's premier fragrance, skincare and beauty brands. Brit shot the campaign, which features actresses Julia Roberts, Zendaya, Amanda Seyfried and Penelope Cruz in Spain in December last year. Now Burna Boy calls out Popcorn for landmark show. The African giant created history over the weekend as he became the first African artist to headline a solo stadium tour in the UK. Burna even went further and sold out the 80,000 capacity stadium. Now, according to reports, Burna Boy, who is on his Love Damini Stadium tour, performed 50 tracks, which included the dancehall hit Tony and Sing, for which Popcorn joined him on stage. Burna Boy, 2 weeks before, achieved the same sold-out success in France. Since the release of Love Damini last July, Burna Boy has been touring the world, which also saw him making a stop right here in Jamaica at the National Stadium. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedren reporting from on top of the world. See you next time.